Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway. This is Heat 3 of Minis versus Mustangs. And back in the booth is none other than NZ Racing. Heat 2 saw the Minis really catch up to the Mustangs. How do you think tonight's going to play out, mate?
Hello once again from New Zealand. Hey, the Mustangs have done really well the last two heats, but the Minis can't be written off just yet. Tonight's the night. They're going to clean up and it's going to be embarrassing for those Fords.
We have some mighty Mustangs lined up tonight and some fierce Minis, so let's have a look at them.
Okay, tonight's lucky contestants, two classic Minis. First of all, we've got the green Mini Cooper with the winning flag already on his roof, and the 67 Austin minivan. Both winners, may as well call it now.
And for Team Mustang is a yellow 2005 Ford. And alongside of that is the 67 Ford GT. These look dangerous. This is Heat 3, Race 1.
On the inside, you got the Austin minivan, and next to him is the 67 GT, and they're already trading paint before the first corner.
Piling on the pressure out of turn 1, here come the Mustangs.
Nope, Mustang. They've come out fighting tonight, ladies and germs.
A nice run there by the 205 Ford, and also the Austin minivan, coming in with those big 3 points.
Nice win there by the yellow Mustang. The Austin van's looking back for that GT. And there's the Cooper, just checking out the artwork.
The GT in trouble on his side up the back. Taking up the front line of race 2 of those mighty Mustangs.
And they're off, and they're fighting for first place, the GT and the Cooper.
Hold your breath, here comes the Minis.
Oh, you little rocket. The Cooper's holding off those Mustangs with these, and ooh, nice little love tap there.
The green Mini just hugging the track like he stole it. The GT and the Austin minivan gets across the line, unbelievable.
Cooper in first, GT second, 2005 in third, and there's the Austin van just taking in the sights.
Looks like he's out for a Sunday drive there, NZ Racing. Who's up front, NZ?
2005 yellow Mustang and the Mini Cooper on the front row. You've got the Austin van and the GT right behind them.
The Mini's looking strong down the back and taking on the Mustang.
Check out that drift by the yellow Mustang. Oh, skills, bro.
Both the Minis having a very average race tonight, trying everything they can just to get those points.
Yep, average driving all right, because there's the average Mini Cooper getting a selfie with the Mount Western Raceway sign.
Looking at the replay here, you can see the Mustang out by about a car length, but it's that Austin minivan. He held on quite well to get third place. Race 4, the Mustangs on the back row.
Both Minis on the front row, and this is where they're going to stay all the way to the finish line. Those ponies don't have a chance.
All the Minis in trouble doing a big 360.
GT's just pushed his way through the pack like a rugby player with a ball. Side by side, the Mustangs finish, and there's the Mini Cooper going, hi guys.
A nice win there by Team Mustang, and look at those points, 13 and 10.
So the Mustangs have been playing, and they've waited until race 4 to show how good they really are. Only a bumper in it, but the GP grabbed it at the end. Looks like the Minis need to reset their sat-nav to find the finish line.
Considering the form of the Minis tonight, it's not a bad score, 45 versus 64.
Outstanding dominating win tonight by both Mustangs. Where were the Minis?
NZ, we have a situation right in front of us. We have 2 Minis tied, and you know what that means.
Yes, a race-off. The first Mini to win 2 races advances through to the semi-finals.
This is our first race-off for Minis versus Mustangs, and my money's on the green Mini.
Neck and neck, side by side, there's nothing between them.
Nice little slide there by the green Mini, and here comes the Austin.
The Austin van's used his superior size to push aside the little Cooper and cruise on down for an easy win.
That was always the 67 Austin minivan's race.
Nice little tap there by the green Cooper, but he's looking back up Mount Western Raceway to see where things actually went wrong in that race.
Race 2 on the race-off, and Minis swap lanes.
Green Cooper's got the jump, he's got,
The green Mini fighting hard to stay alive.
Another easy win there for the Austin van. So big brother's really pushing little brother around tonight.
Well, congratulations to the 67 Austin minivan, yes, through to the semis.
And once again, the green Mini's facing the wrong way, sort of reminiscing on what might have been. Hey, I'm not too sure if you've noticed there, but the Mount Western Raceway sign at the end of the track is, it's kind of on a lean, mate. I'll just get Big Nige and Kev to fix this up for you.
Good luck with that, NZ. I've been trying to find Big Nige and Kev, and guess what I received the other day in the mail? A postcard from Big Nige and Kev, and guess where from? Thailand. So there's no maintenance happening on the track, mate. What's going on?
What? What do you mean you got a postcard? Man, these two are always sneaking off when there's work to be done.
Well, you better look after your staff there, mate. Well, they sent me that postcard and I actually posted it up on the community tab. You might want to head over and have a look.
The community tab, you say? Rightio, yeah, I'll go check that out right now. Hopefully they've left their contact details, eh? Thailand. Man, these guys get paid way too much.
That they do, NZ, living the high life. Let's confirm that race-off results.
And there you have it, the 67 Austin minivan going through to the semi-finals with the 2005 Ford Mustang.
Let's look at a replay from tonight. I want to dissect this race. Have a look at the green Mini. He starts off right up the back.
This is where small size and sheer determination is paying off. The Mini saw a tiny gap, grabbed it, overtook everyone and screamed down for a win.
I totally agree, NZ, and if the Minis can keep a straight line, watch out, Mustangs, you're going to be on notice. Well, NZ, thanks a lot for co-hosting tonight. We will see you back in Heat 5.
Great racing tonight here at Mount Western Raceway and can't wait to see how the next few heats go. Go the Minis!
A big thank you to our co-hosts, NZ Racing and Hot Wheel Boys. Check them out on their social media, give them a thumbs up and leave a comment. This program is proudly sponsored by NZ Racing, CRC Racing and Po Boy Racing. Well, that's a wrap from Mount Western Raceway. Until next time, catch you later.